Hi, welcome you all to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss March current affairs as part of general awareness. Let us start. Which country has launched its first ever satellite Arctica M for monitoring the climate and environment in the Arctic region? And the answer is Russia. And the Russia Space Agency is Roscosmos. Next. Which minister has inaugurated second edition of Global Bio India 2021 virtually? And the answer is Sri Dr. Harshvardhan. And the theme of this edition is Transforming Lives. And the tagline is Biosciences to Bioeconomy. Who has received the CERAWeek Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award recently? And the answer is Sri Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister. And this award is given to those leaders who are committed of future global energy and environment, who offers solutions and policies for energy, accessible, affordability, and environmental stewardship. This award was instituted in the year 2016, and this award is considered as the world's premier annual energy platform. Next. Who is the author of the book Advantage India, the story of Indian tennis? And the answer is Anindya Datta. And the publisher of this book is Westland Sports. Next. Who has won the gold medal in wrestling women's 53 kg category event which was held in Ukraine? And the answer is Vinesh Fogart. The capital of Ukraine is Kyiv and the currency is Hryvnia. Hryvnia. Next. Which edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha, where Prime Minister interacts with students, teachers and parents, which was held recently in 2021? And the answer is this was the fourth edition, and this was the first virtual edition held. Next, which union minister has launched Sugamya Bharat app virtually? And the answer is Sri Thawarchand Gehlot. Write down in the comment section what was the aim of the Sugamya Bharat app, and it is meant for which particular group. Next, which office or department has launched Swachhta Sarthi Fellowship recently? And the answer is Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor. And the mission of this fellowship is Waste to Wealth. And it is to recognize students, community workers, self-help groups, municipal sanitary workers who are engaged in tackling the enormous challenge of waste management scientifically and sustainably. Next. Recently, Railway Minister has stated railway network is fully electrified by which year? And the answer is 2023. Next. Which is the first railway station to get gold certificate as per CII's Indian Green Building Council ratings? Which railway station? And the answer is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus Railway Station, which is in Mumbai. Next, United Nations General Assembly has adopted dash year as the International Year of Millets. This could be also an important regarding millets. And the answer is 2023. Next, who has been appointed as the Assistant Secretary General and head of the New York office of the United Nations Environment Program? And the answer is Ligia Noraha. Next, Who has been appointed as the first Vice President and Chief Operating Officer of the New York-based Federal Reserve Bank? And the answer is Naurin Hassan. Which general insurance has launched Business Kist Suraksha to protect MFI financial institutions and banks against calamities and natural disasters? And the answer is HDFC Ergo. Next. Dash has launched an online platform Yield to buy and sell bonds and debentures. And the answer is Access Securities. Next. India's first ever transgender community desk is launched in which state of India? And the answer is Telangana. It was launched by Cyberabad Police. Next. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Maitri Setu bridge between India and Dash. It was between India and Bangladesh. This was constructed on the river Feni River, and it is connecting Sabrum in Tripura to Ramgarh in Bangladesh. Next, India's first forest healing center is inaugurated in which state? And the answer is Uttarakhand, and this is Ankit. Next, which state or union territory has launched Super 75 scholarship scheme for meritorious girl students? And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. They also launched one more scheme, that is, along with this, they started another scheme, that is Tejashwini, to provide financial support of 5 lakhs for the age between 18 to 35 years, those who to encourage entrepreneurship. Next, as per Food Waste Index report by United Nations Environment Program, dash million tons of food wasted globally in 2019. As per this report, what was the food wasted? That is 931 million tons of food was wasted globally. And India, 50 kg per capita per year was wasted. Next, Dash Bank has launched Smart Up for women entrepreneurs. Which bank has launched? The answer is HDFC Bank. Next, who is the author of the book titled Dynasty to Democracy: The Untold Story of Smriti Irani Trump? And the answer is Anant Vijay, and the publisher is Westland. Next, who has been appointed as the chairman of Asia Pacific Rural and Agriculture Credit Association? And the answer is GR Chintala. Next, Government of India and Dash Bank has signed a loan agreement for $304 million to improve reliability, capacity and security of the power transmission network in the Assam state. And the answer is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Next, State Bank of India has donated dash amount to PM CARES Fund to support national COVID-19 vaccination campaign as part of its CSR. And the answer is 11 crores. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. Thank you.